I'm Santanu Chaudhary, Director of Manufacturing Science and Engineering at Argonne National Laboratory. National laboratories such as Argonne are a great resource for businesses looking to innovate or to solve complex chemical, material, or process challenges. Argonne provides access to advanced instrumentation too large, expensive, or complex to house in an industry laboratory. Argonne offers the assistance of 1,700 scientists and engineers, many of whom are leaders in their field. By combining this expertise with state-of-the-art X-ray diagnostic, high-performance computing, and material scale-up, Argonne can add to your company's innovation toolbox, predictive analytics, connected technologies, and sensors, and ways to design and scale functional materials. This unlocks opportunities to develop premium products and processes that capture higher margins. But it can be daunting for industry to know where to start to take advantage of all Argonne has to offer. Argonne's Manufacturing Science and Engineering Initiative is working with industry and building new infrastructure to make working with the laboratory easier, faster, and more productive. That can be through a joint research project where your staff works hand in hand with Argonne scientists, or to leverage grant funds and conduct R&D, or by a contract where you pay Argonne scientists to do research for your company, or by licensing existing Argonne technologies. Argonne has 15 research divisions, a suite of research centers and joint institutes, and 5 national scientific user facilities offering the right R&D fix for just about any industry problem. We work with businesses of all sizes, from Fortune 500 companies to startups. No company is too big or too small. A few of the unique R&D tools Argonne staff can help industry access are high-performance computing. Through modeling and simulations, you can eliminate costly trial and error design and reduce time to market. X-ray imaging and materials diagnostics. You can pinpoint product defects and alter material structure to optimize performance. Argonne offers one of the only places to conduct materials characterization under real operating conditions and in extremes of pressures, temperature, and radiation. The Center for Nanoscale Materials. New materials and devices can be designed and validated using a state-of-the-art clean room and instrumentation. The Materials Engineering Research Facility. This is the nation's only scale-up facility for commercial-grade testing of pre-commercial prototypes and to develop manufacturing procedures for scale-up of materials from grain size 2 kilograms and beyond while keeping performance high and costs affordable. Argonne can help you de-risk your innovation and prioritize product attributes for further development in your home labs. Argonne's mission is to find solutions to complex challenges in energy, material science, advanced manufacturing, and national security. Partnering with industry, also working on those problems, is a great way to accelerate innovation. To learn more, please go to anl.gov/manufacturing.